In the world of radionics, there is a striking and effective element that allows for establishing precise energetic connections and generating concrete changes in reality: the so-called radionic ratios. These vibratory codes function as an information language that links the user's intention with specific areas of the universal energy field. Although many people associate radionics with the transmission of energy, the truth is that its true power lies in the management of corrective information. Radionic ratios are a tool to access and modify that information in a structured and effective way. But what exactly are they, and how can they help us influence our physical well-being, our environment, and our personal goals? Radionic ratios can be considered as codes or structures linked to information, a kind of vibratory direction that represents a specific state. These can be presented in different ways. As alphanumeric ratios, which are sequences of numbers and words that define a vibratory structure. As graphic representations, which are specially designed to serve as energetic codes. Finally, as activating geometric shapes, the most common example of which is the so-called platonic solids, which can be used with the intention of generating states of balance and recovery in alternative therapy. In essence, ratios facilitate the transmission of corrective vibrations, whether with the aim of returning an organ to normal, improving an emotional state, or even transforming an external situation that we intend to positively influence. From the radionic perspective, everything that exists has an information structure prior to matter. That is, before manifesting physically, anything, an organ, an emotional state, or a circumstance, has an energetic imprint. If this information or structure is affected, the physical manifestation can also be modified within the parameters of what is possible in our reality. This principle is what allows radionics to be used successfully in alternative therapy, with the idea of restoring balance in the body through the emission of specific vibrations. A ratio that represents the optimal state of an organ or system, for example, can be used to send corrective information, with the idea of facilitating its recovery. But radionics goes beyond physical health. It can also be used to influence personal, professional, or group situations. In the same way that it can be used to restore the functionality of an organ, it is also possible to influence the improvement of the quality of life of a person or people by correcting vibrational aspects related to their environment and circumstances. While visualization requires constant mental effort to sustain an intention, a radionic device works as an automatic and continuous transmitter of modulated vibrations, reinforcing the connection between the desired state and the present reality, without the need for permanent concentration. Radionics is not magic or superstition. It is a system developed by scientific minds that have explored the interaction between energy, vibration, information, and reality for more than a century. By connecting intention to a specific frequency, radionic devices act as bridges between the possible and the manifested, providing an extraordinary way to enhance reality and effectively achieve goals. If you want to learn more about radionics and its infinite possibilities, download now for free our complete ebook through the link in the description.